Welcome to another video of Techflix. In this video, we would be discussing very basics of PLC.
This tutorial is for learning about a very important component in automation, known as PLC. So, what is a PLC? P stands for programmable. A program is a piece of code written in any coding language. For PLC it is mostly ladder logic, FBD, etc. The program is written in the PLC software, which can run on a normal computer or server. L stands for logic. Logic in simple terms is a set of actions which are dependent on some decisions, calculations and algorithms. For example, to turn on the fan switch. Now, that is a logic to turn on a fan. Similarly, a programming logic is applied in codes to achieve some desired results. C stands for controller. The PLC acts as a controller to control any operation with a prescribed logic fed in the PLC. In terms of control, the PLC can generate desired electrical signals as output with respect to the logic and the input signals. Imagine a set of 10 switches in your home for fan, TV, AC, refrigerator, etc. Now a person will turn on and off the switches according to his need. Now what if a piece of equipment is selected which control all these switches according to your logic based on your need? So we are talking about PLC. So now we know what is PLC. Let's see how a typical PLC works.
So, to start using a PLC for doing any operation, the first thing we need to do is think about a logic and write a code. Every PLC have a software which has to be installed in PC or server. The code has to be written in this software. For example, a PLC manufactured by Allen Bradley Corp. have a software known as RS Logics. Next, the PLC needs to be connected to our PC or server, then, we would fed the code in the PLC through a communication medium and protocols such as serial, Ethernet, etc. Now, when the code is fed into the PLC will all inputs and outputs and process the logic of the code accordingly. The PLC can read input and output from an external world or can use the input and output data from the code itself. When the PLC has processed the inputs according to the code, it will produce outputs as the result of processing. The PLC can give a digital output or analog output. A typical PLC can give 5 volts, as an analog output which can be further amplified by an electrical relay, to use for devices which requires large voltages, such as VFDs.
For more videos, subscribe to our channel Netflix, and press the bell icon for latest notifications.